Hello student. 11th chapter mensuration in that exercise 11.2. We already solved first 6 question. Now 7th one. Question is, the floor of a building consists of 3000 tiles which are rhombus shape. Means shape of that tiles is rhombus shape and each of the diagonals are 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter in length. Find the cost of polish the floor. Okay, it cost 1 meter square equal to 4. After finding the area of that floor, we find out the cost. Now how to find out the area of that floor? So what is given here? One floor is there like that, suppose here, and in that the tiles are there which are in rhombus shape like that, means length and breadth are equal. Okay, and here the tiles are in this type of shape. Okay, means all lengths are equal and two diagonals are given. Measurement of that diagonals are given. D1 first diagonal is 45 centimeter and D2 equal to 30 centimeter. Okay, first here you want to find out cost, and cost is given 1 meter square equal to 4 rupees, means cost is given in meter. So what to do? We find out the area in meter, so convert diameter into meter. Okay, so 45 centimeter means 45 divided by 100. We know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, and we want to convert centimeter to meter, so divided by 100 equal to 0.45 meter. Same here, equal to 0.30 meter, and you know that how to convert into meter. Okay, now area of rhombus. Okay, tile. Okay, why we find out area of tile? Here area of one tile and total 3000 tiles are there. Okay, so area of one tile into 3000 equal to total area of that floor. Okay, so area of rhombus tile is 1/2 into D1 into D2, that is equal to 1/2 into 45 upon 100, 0.45 means 45, and same here 30 upon 100, 15 are. So 45 into 15, 45 into 15 equal to 5 5 25 2 22 0 5 and 4 5 7 and 6. Okay, that is 675 divided by 100 into 100, 10,000. Okay, just convert into decimal point, otherwise leave it as usual. Okay, now to area of floor equal to, okay, total 3000 tiles are there, means number of tiles into area of one tile equal to 3000 tiles are there into area of one tile is 675 divided by 10,000, 3030 cut. Now multiply this one with 3, so 5 3s are 15, 1 7 3s are 21 and 2 here 2 6 3s are 18 and 2 20 divided by 10. Divided by 10 means one decimal, 202.5 meter square. Okay, that is the area of that floor. Now we find out cost. Okay, so cost of polish, they want to polish that, so cost of polishing 1 meter square, that is given 4 rupees. Then cost of total is 202.5 meter square. How much? Cross multiplication, that is 202.5 into 4. Multiply with that one, so 202.5 divided by 4. 5 4s are 20, here 0 2, 4 2s are 8 and 2 10, 0 1, 0 and 1 means 1, 4 2s are 8, and here after decimal 1 digit, so put decimal after 1 digit. So 810.0. 0.0 is there, here 0 after decimal, so ignore that one. So total cost is 810 rupees. Cost of policy. Okay. Now next one, number 8. Look, Mohan want to buy a trapezium shaped field, each side along the river parallel to the twice the side of road. Means here this type of field is there, and two sides are there. Trapezium parallel side, one is touching with road and second one is river. Okay, and area means length of river side is double than this one. Suppose that is A, this one is B, B is double than A, means 2A. Then final area of that one is given 10,500 meters square. Perpendicular distance is given, that is 100. Then find the length of river side, means this one. Okay, I already draw a diagram here. Look here, this type of field is there, here road is there, here river is there, and total distance between these two parallel sides, that is trapezium shape, and that is 100 meter. Here length of this one is A and this one is B, and B is double of this one, means 2 times A. B equal to twice A, that is double. Okay, and total area is given. Okay, area of field equal to 10,500 meter square. Then find out length of that field at river side, means B. Okay, now what is given? Area of trapezium equal to, we know that area of trapezium equal to 1/2 into H into A plus B. Okay, area is given, that is 10,500 equal to 1/2 into H is given 100 into here A plus B. B equal to twice A. Put that 2A because that is double of A. Change the side of both one. So otherwise cut here, that is 50. Change the side of 50, that is become at denominator side. And here A plus 2A. A means 1A. 1A plus 2A, that is 3A. Cut this one. 0, 0 cut. 5 2s are 10. 5 1s are and 0 equal to 3A. Means 210 divided by 3 equal to A. Here 3A means 3 into A. We change the side of 3. That denominator side. 7 3s are and 0. Means A equal to 70 meter. Okay. And then we want to find river side. Okay. So river side equal to, means length of field at river side equal to B, and B is double than A, means 2A. So 2 into 70 equal to 140 meter. That's your answer. Okay. Now next 9 number. Look, top surface of raised platform is in the shape of regular octagon. Regular means all sides are equal as shown in figure here. Find the area of that octagonal shape. You just find out area of this one. Okay. Now look, this type of area shape is there. Here octagon means regular is there. So if we divide that one into 3 parts, here and from here. Okay. So we are having one rectangle part and 2 trapezium parts, and both the trapeziums are equal in shape because that is regular octagon. So both are having same. Okay. Now what is the shape of that one? Trapezium, like that. Okay. And measure of that one, here the perpendicular is height measurement is given, means that is height is given. Okay. This side is 11 meter and all sides are equal, means if this one is 5 meter, means this side is also 5 meter. Okay. So we are having here A equal to 5 meter, B equal to 11 meter and H equal to 4 meter for that rectangle trapezium, and middle one is rectangle. This one is length and this one is height. And same, two trapeziums are there, means 1 and 2, both the trapeziums. So total area, here I directly find out the total area. Total area of octagonal shape equal to area of rectangle plus 2. Two trapeziums are there, so 2 into area of trapezium. Okay, now area of rectangle means L into B plus area of trapezium, that is 2 into trapezium is 1/2 into height into A plus B. Okay, L into B, here what is the L? 11 and B equal to 5, means 11 into 5 plus here 2 cut. Okay, and H equal to height, that is 4 meter, here 4 into L equal to 5 and B equal to 11. So 5 plus 11 equal to, here 11 5s are 55 plus, that is 4 into 16. So 55 plus 64. So 5 and 4 9, and that is 1 meter square. So area of rectangular shape is 119 meter square. Okay. So student, today we solve question number 7, 8 and 9 from that exercise. You just complete these 3 questions in your notebook. Rest of 2 questions 10 and 11 we will solve in next period. Okay, thank you.